Oh, really? What is that on there? Oh. You want to turn him on again? Your hand getting all sticky? What's that?
What is this?
It's a push pop.
A fish pop.
A push pop.
Pop.
You say push
wow.
pop?
Looks like Ben got into your basket.
Hey, let's go see what Ben's doing. Oh my goodness. I think Ben's playing with Easter eggs. What are you doing, buddy?
Oh, we forgot my cap.
That's okay. Go get your cap. Bailey.
Hi, Benjamin. Hi, happy Easter.
I have to pick them all up.
You gonna pick them all up?
Yes.
Alright, that's awful nice of you, thanks.
That was not my bin.
Oh, it's okay. You can play with them, honey. They're just eggs. And they're all empty. You already ate everything that's inside of them.
Just let a couple in there.
He took one.
It's okay.